This is the Homsolver scented candle. This is the Balsam Fir Cedar Pine Scented Candle, and I gotta say, I really like it. At first smell, I noticed that this is a very, very fresh scent. Almost, this is kind of interesting, almost to the point of fruity, but it's not fruity. It's a very fresh smell. Now, something kind of cool is actually the shipping box here. This came packaged in foam like this, and I'm not worried at all about this breaking and shipping. It came packaged very well, so props to the manufacturer there. But yeah, comes with this metal lid here, and then the wick in there already has a little bit of wax on it. And I gotta say, this pine scented candle is awesome. It's very, I want to say Christmassy. It reminds me of Christmas. So if you're in the market for a kind of Christmassy pine scented candle, this is fantastic. I think this would be fantastic for you, and I would recommend it.